Hello everyone, welcome to imacooker channel. Today we are going to make Tamil Nadu famous kushka or empty biryani. Tasty and delicious, easy to make, and I have added the ingredients in the description box. And let's get started. To a cooker, I have added 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. And now I'm going to add the whole spices, fennel seeds, cumin seeds, cardamom, anise seeds, cloves and cinnamon. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Add 3 sliced green chillies. Add 1 onion I have sliced. Saute the onions till it becomes translucent. Let's add 2 tomatoes sliced. Now let's add turmeric powder, chilli powder, and garam masala powder. Mix everything. After sauteing for a minute, let's add mint leaves or pudina leaves, cilantro or coriander leaves, and mix everything. After sauteing for a minute, now let's add plain yogurt and mix everything together. After sauteing for a minute, we are going to add water. For 2 cups of rice, I have taken 3 cups of water. Now we are going to add the salt. I have taken 2 cups of basmati rice. I have soaked it in water and then washed and drained the excess water out. Now we are going to add it to the gravy. After mixing everything, we are going to cover and cook it for 1 whistle. After the pressure is released, let's open up the cooker. And to this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ghee. It's optional. And give everything a mix. Now your delicious kushka or empty biryani is ready. Let's serve it. This is the traditional style in Chennai. Now let's transfer the biryani into a plate. Now let's try our kushka. See how the rice is still intact and the smell of the pudina, it's too good. The flavor is amazing and it's very easy to make without any meat. And if you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and enjoy our recipe. Thank you.